Did you know you could increase clicks to your YouTube videos simply by making better titles? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today, because if you're a business who's trying to market your company by giving helpful how-to videos, you want to write better titles. So let's talk about it. Hey, welcome to Hey.com. My name's Dane Golden. I'm here because I love helping brands and marketers and businesses like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. So what about titles? The first thing you should know is a title is never standing alone. It always works with a thumbnail. And we did another video about thumbnails, and you can look at that right here. But a title and a topic also go with a thumbnail, right? Because you could have a title about something I'm not interested in, and no matter how well you write that title, I'm still not going to be interested. So what is the topic? And that's where you start, right? You find out what kind of a topic people are searching for, ideally, or if presented with, that they never knew that they loved before you showed it to them. That's really the only two options. It's either something somebody loves that they didn't know they love and weren't searching because they didn't know it existed, or it's something that they're searching for, right? Or they just love you, and whatever you do, they're gonna love. Now, no matter how much somebody loves your brand, they may not love the video. They may not care about your videos at all, no matter how much they love your brand. And that's if they love you. If they don't love you and you're trying to get them to love you, well, you've got a taller order, right? So I advise businesses to share your expertise. Find out what people are looking for that you know about that's related, maybe not exactly what you're selling, but it's related to your scope of knowledge. It's probably larger than your scope of knowledge, but it's related. If somebody's looking for an answer on YouTube or on Google, they're going to search for it, right? And if you happen to have that within your expertise at your company, you can share that with them. They will find your video and thus watch your video. And they'll know that you are the type of brand that wants to help them. Thus, they will be closer aligned to you. So that's more on the topic side than the title, but they both go together. Now, a title on YouTube, it can be long. It can be 99 characters, but you really don't want to go that long because people are scanning, right? They may spend just a tenth of a second looking at your title, if that. And so it needs to be short if it can be. Also, some of that text is going to be cut off. So in most places, those characters will never show up. And on mobile, it's going to be even smaller, and that's where most people are. They're going to be seeing between 20 and 35 characters on mobile, and that's how short it is. Now, sometimes these titles, if they're longer, you can put more keywords in them, but really you're trying to get clicks here, not get keyword stuffing into the title. Try to find out what someone, if you're doing how-to videos, as we recommend, try to find out what someone's searching for and put that in the title. You don't always have to put the words how to or tutorial or DIY, those help, but sometimes those can make it too long, and sometimes they'll do just as well without it. So you have to try, and it depends the type of thing you're showing somebody how to do. So you start with the word how to, or put the word tutorial in it, or DIY. These are the types of things, hacks. These are the types of words that people are searching for. And then the type of thing that you are offering to show them how to do. But ideally, it's under 5 words. Best is 3 words, 4 words, 6 words. Now you start to get 7 or 8. You're really starting to move too far down that continuum that people may be just sort of momentarily confused or distracted and move on to the next thing, which seems simpler. Now, a title and text on a thumbnail should work together, right? And the visuals on the thumbnail should work together, because they're not looking at, they're already seeing one. They don't have to see both, say a repeat of each other. So just text on a thumbnail is bad. On the thumbnail, you want to have, again, we had that other tutorial here. It's here. But you want to have the type of text on your thumbnail. It's very, very short, 1, 2, or 3 words maybe, and very big, because that thumbnail is going to be appearing very small on mobile, which is where most people see it. So again, find what people are looking for that you know about. What are they searching for? And there's tools to help you do this. You can just do autocomplete on Google or YouTube, right? And that's where you type in a few words and you see what the most popular searches are. But if you're doing more advanced stuff, you can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ or Morning Fame, and I'll put links to those tools in the description. But the more advanced you get, you can search that more. Also, I use Google Trends, and why don't we just go ahead and link to that Google Trends video that I did. But Google Trends is a little too broad. Since you're going to be doing a lot of videos, you want to narrow down and have more niche topics as you grow your channel. So again, titles, they work with thumbnails, they work with topics. You want to have them short, keywords, what people are looking for, but natural language, okay? Now I've made another video that you might be interested in. I put it right here. Check it out. We'll see you in the next video.